Quick update, people. Get your birds jabbed. 6 weeks ago, every one of these was full. You remember? I bought a new kit box. It was full. Can't even get around to cleaning it out. It was full, jam-packed. Out of 100 and odd flying birds, these are what I'm stuck with. Or left with. Maybe not stuck. These are what I'm left with. 100 and odd flying birds. These are what I'm left with. Empty. I'll shut that now. Stock birds. 3, 6, 7 birds. 7 hens. 1 spare. And 7 cocks. I can't even get round to cleaning up, man. It's depressed me that much. He's still here, the main man. 555's gone. 4083. That's mum. Stone dead. I will post some pictures eventually. But they're not right nice. And videos. I have vlogged it all. I can't even get round to cleaning. He's listening for something in the sky. I can see fruit thing. Look. That's what he's looking at. That's one thing about these. When they're in there, they can see through that. I'm thinking, fucking hell, what's he looking up at? I can see 2 seagulls, look. Bless him. So yeah, we are decimated. Gone. Finished. Maybe not finished, but there's a hell of a lot of birds gone. We're at the back of it now. But yeah. All gone. Never took a ring off them. Never did out. Killed every one of them. What can I do? Decimated. Sad.